Hey guys, today I feel really sad because I must post this YouTube channel because I see a lot stuff in YouTube for make me crazy, for make me mad, really. Because I see some people joking about one girl, she passed away. I'm sorry for that. I wish you all the best and I wish you be with Angel. But why I'm mad? Because some people don't respect. She's dead. You must give to her something like good stuff, no bad stuff. I can understand you guys. I know this be, I don't know, this be so far away for this. But when I see comment what you post about this girl, I be so mad. I can understand you guys. What's happened with you if you have this comment, you are dead. And people comment you, fuck you, other, she deserves to be dead, other, she's, what I care about was she's dead. Stop guys. Maybe next time you'll be dead. Maybe God give you a death. Don't be like this. You must listen your heart and be honest of you. I be when I lose my best friend, my life be I don't know, my life be this, I wanna be a dead. She's be my everything. She be my best friend. She be my sister. She be my all in my heart. When I see she's dead, she be with me every moment. But what I be now? Thanks for one girl, forgive me this. I always be thanks for that. This girl is, I watch one video, this is Amber. I see video of this girl. She don't deserve that. Some people is so bad, so crazy for have a YouTube channel popular, be famous. It's not everything in famous life. I wish to be famous. I wish to be famous star. Not anymore. Because when you go, famous life is suck. You cannot go in school. Paparazzi go with you. You cannot go with friends to talk. Paparazzi go with you. Our life is paparazzi with you. I never wanted this my life be all paparazzi in my life. I wish to be happy. I wish to have a stronger. I wish to have everything, but no famous life. Famous life is nothing. I just wanna say to you guys, respect other people, because when you don't respect other people, God don't respect you. Believe that. Thanks.